Hello everyone, welcome to iExamB. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to embrace the iExamB learning experience. I am Prachi Agarwal, the finance faculty at iExamB with more than 15 years of experience in the finance space. And in this particular video, I am going to discuss the NABARD Finance Phase 2 Professional Knowledge paper. We will discuss in detail and analyze the exam questions that came for the finance stream for both the descriptive and the objective part. So please watch carefully till the end to understand what the questions were, what type of questions have come, and how you could have prepared, and if you have given the exam, where you stand in terms of attempting. So let's start with the descriptive part. The descriptive part, as you're aware, consists of two aspects, questions that are of 15 marks, and then there are questions that are of 10 marks. In 15 marks, 3 questions were given. You had to attempt 2. The topics that were asked in the 15 mark questions related to methods of valuing the inventory, what were the different types of market structures, and they had asked you to discuss about the triple line bottom framework on business sustainability. In 10 marks, the questions that were there related to difference in the marginal and absorption costing, and this difference was to be explained in respect to the overheads and the inventory valuation. There was a question related to the different types of risks in international banking, and there was a question on window dressing done in the financial statements and in the accounts. The students who had been preparing with iExamB had covered all these topics in a very accurate manner. If to give you a glimpse, the questions related to methods of issuing inventory, this question basically relates to your FIFO and LIFO methods or the weighted average cost method, a question or a topic very widely discussed both in the live classes and also through the crisp study notes, which have helped you prepare 50% faster. The next question related to the market structures. In NABARD finance syllabus, this is a part of your managerial economics, so not a very widely asked topic, but yes, it is a part of the managerial economics. A similar type of question we had covered in our practice sets for descriptive in NABARD finance, which talking about 3 different types of market structure: monopolistic competition, perfect competition, and monopoly. And in the managerial economics notes, all the market structures were very widely discussed in detail in a comparative manner for objective preparation and in a detailed manner for descriptive preparation. Moving ahead to the next question in descriptive, the 3 pillars of business sustainability that were asked, or it was, we are not still clear if the triple bottom terminology was used or only 3 pillars of business sustainability. Either ways, it talks about the triple bottom concept or the 3 P's: profit, people, and planet. Again, this is a topic which is interrelated to social responsibility, and a very recently accounting reporting in the form of a business responsibility and sustainability report that SEBI included. This interrelationship, this social responsibility, this thought and concept of triple bottom has been discussed in different formats by iExamB through its notes, through its live classes, where 3P, CSR, BRSR was interlinked and explained in detail, and other aspects also through corporate responsibility, how environment, philanthropic, and economic benefits and responsibilities are to be taken care of in the ESG model. So students have been able to attempt this by correlating all these aspects. Next question related to marginal versus absorption costing. Actually, this is an important topic which was also felt by iExamB and covered in different formats 2 times in the mock test. One as a direct question, differentiate between absorption and marginal costing, and second as a part of a larger costing question, and a detailed discussion was done also in the class given the importance of this topic. Next question, international banking and the types of risk. This topic is again widely covered in form of video, in form of notes, and in form of test. in the NABARD finance course, where all different types of risks are discussed and how they are also being taken into account by the Basel Committee. Moving to the objective part, the types of questions that have come. The objective part have two types of questions. There are 2 marker questions which are based on para information, and all our mock tests have been designed in the same fashion. There were 2 marker questions related to topics on CSR, corporate social responsibility, types of budget, mergers, audit and depreciation. When it came to 1 marker questions, there were questions related to numerical on PV ratio. Again, this is the most frequently asked topic for numerical from the costing, and this we have reiterated hundreds of times in our various videos, classes and practice and mock test. Then another important topic for numericals was ratios, and there were 2 questions that were asked, one related to the current ratio and the other related to credit sales receivable. There were other questions related to non-verbal communication, which is a part of business communication, capital budgeting and NFRA. So exact questions we are recreating, and we'll come out with the memory based PDF very soon, so stay tuned for that and being able to download. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that any update you are aware about. To give you a glimpse of the coverage for these objective type questions, we had the exact type of question framed on corporate social responsibility, where questions on the section it is covered in under the Companies Act, what is the limit, how much has to be invested, for how many years it can be carried forward, have all been included in the exam. The questions and topics related to the budget, functional budget and the various type of budget is also widely covered in the notes. Numerical related to PV ratio are also very categorically discussed through videos, through live classes and through a lot of practice questions in the course. Moving ahead, mergers related question on corporate restructuring was also a part of the mock test, and again this has been very widely covered in the live class and also in the study notes, in a very crisp study notes that help you prepare 50% faster. Capital budgeting, another very important topic covered both in the live class and in the course, to discuss the different types of techniques used and the calculation behind it. As I said, the exact questions we are working on to recreate the memory based paper. If you remember any more details, please do write in the comments, and you can also write in the comments your attempts to help us find and guide you for the cutoff. NFRA as a topic was included in descriptive. It was explained and also covered in the notes on NFRA, where it was discussed in detail how it is helping improve the audit in our country by becoming a separate regulator and authority for the audit profession. So this was also widely covered. We had different other questions based on audit that were covered in the mock test in various forms, different types of audit, audit requirements as per Companies Act. Again, different important topics were covered both in classes, mock test in the exact same manner as the para based questions. So this is a brief of what the topics had come, the type of questions that were asked, and how you would have been able to answer this if you had prepared in a targeted manner. The idea here again is to recreate the questions as I suggested, which we will be coming out very soon. If you remember any more questions, please do write in the comments box, and also write your attempts that you have made in the NABARD finance paper. Wishing you all the best. Please keep preparing so as to unfold your potential to be able to perform in various exams. As of now, a lot of finance and account based vacancies are coming for various organizations. Exim Bank is open. NABFID has recently come out with openings for finance and account students, both in the account, lending, operations, risk management streams. So keep preparing, keep unfolding your potential to perform well in your exams and prepare 50% faster. Wishing you all the best.